chose that because it would be great for a pop-out book. Hope you enjoy. Okay. The first page is about barrier islands. A barrier island is a long, thin, sandy stretch of land. Padre Island is the largest barrier island. It is in the Gulf of Mexico and is about 113 miles. The second is volcanoes. A volcano is a landform where molten rock erupts through the surface of the planet. When magma erupts through the surface, it is called lava. Lava is liquid rock that flows out of the volcano. Magma is liquid rock inside the volcano. Sand dunes are also created as sand is carried distances and then dropped off or blocked by larger immobile objects. Waves can change rocky cliffs. A deep canyon is a landform that a deep, narrow valley with steep sides, most often with a river at the bottom. Glaciers are formed in areas where more snow falls than melts.
Okay.
When it blows up, it'll get the green rocks down.
Okay.
Just pour it fast. Pour it faster!
That's good. That's good.
Oh, here we
Didn't blow up that much.
It's okay. Put more.
No, don't put more. It can only react so much. Okay?
Steven.
This is actually better than a volcanic eruption because this is more along the lines of natural erosion. Little man-made stuff. Okay?
Oh, look at it. Whoa, I fell over!
So I have two pictures here. One is from the past, and then there's a lot of sand. And then this is the future, and so it has less sand. And so the water took it up and it eroded somewhere else.
Very good. Can you hold them right next to each other so we can see the difference of sand levels? Oh. And I'll come so I can look over your shoulder. Very nice. Before and after. And I like the timelines on there. Thank you.
This is like a curvy river. I made it out of clay and paint. And
What does it represent?
What do you mean?
What part of science? Is it weathering, erosion, deposition, or a landform?
Deposition. And when there's like a lot of soil, like it like curves to an S shape, and like over time it'll become a curvy river.
My name is Alexis Kim, and I did my science project on a waterfall, which I call it falling water. This is a waterfall which is carrying the sediments down the waterfall and is just depositing it by the riverbed.
This is called Brooker and Lee's erosion, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour blue Sprite with blue food coloring, and we're gonna pour it down this and see if the sand erodes to the bottom. Whoa, that was a big turnout.
And it did!
It worked!
We are the 3 sugar cubes.
Oh, this is our science project. We are doing a sugar cube pyramid.
We are going to show erosion by blowing on the pyramid.
This is one way sediments move.
Thank you. Wait.
Yeah.
Ooh, those should be cute. I don't know about them.
Hi, this is called the boulder blower, and it's by pressing Grant and Link. And it's exfoliation because when the boulder hits the animals that represent rocks, all the sediment will spread out, and over time, the top layers will peel off.
See the animals stand for rocks, and so the animals exfoliated to the side, and their outer layers will soon peel off.
It is called Mount Snowy, and as we've learned in class, Earth's surface is always changing. Erosion, which involves the movement of weathered rock from one place to another, is one of many forces that changes our environment. In some cases, erosion is caused by natural forces, including flowing water, ice, wind, and waves. Unnatural erosion is often caused by human activity. Our project will demonstrate both forms of erosion and how they can affect the size and structure of glaciers.
An unnatural form of erosion if a car was driving and it slipped and it hit a rock.
And then our natural form of erosion would be if water came down over time and pushed the rock off. And yeah.
The project that I made is called Mountainous. What I did to make the project is I made homemade Play-Doh and separated it into colors. The first one was white and the second one was blue. Then I got a funnel from the kitchen to get the shape of the mountain, and I put blue dough around the whole thing, and white to represent the grooves in the mountain. Next, I went in my backyard to gather some rocks for the side of the lake and leaves for the plants. Lastly, I'm going to put the peppercorns, which are sediments, on the mountain, and then get some and then use a fan to blow them off.